how to put other story on my story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can put other stories on your own story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, if you're mentioned in a particular story, when you just come to the DMs page, you'll most likely get a notification that says this person mentioned you in the story, and you can directly add them in that way. But let's say in another case you are not mentioned in the story, the only way you can actually do that is to simply take a screenshot of someone else's story over here whose you want to share. So once you take a screenshot, you can tap the your story button here. You can simply select that particular screenshot you want to use, and then in return you can simply tag that person if you'd like. Then once you tag that person, you can tap on done and reshare that story if you want to mention it. This way you can put other story on my story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.